Okay, class, good morning. Good morning. So for your ethics subject, you will create a presentation about Filipino values and how they affect our decisions as moral agents. Yes, Ryan? Yes, and I want realistic examples from student life. Yes, Sean. Yes, same group as before.
Also, bukas na lang kay daghang students procrastinate. Normal naman na.
Normal doesn't mean that.
What if you think nice? Dali sa production. Bawal mo na.
Yes na, sama na.
Hala ka.
Yes na.
Kabalo ko sa'yo, pero mo lang hindi ko sa alas bakit sometimes, pakikisama can tolerate from this.
Guys, start na po sa project.
Maupod na yung gingon last week. Rice, rice na ni. 5 minutes lang.
See? Wala kang nabuhat.
That's niyas ko gan. Kusog sa sugod, tapos mawala na yun. Okay na ka? Nakadlo ko ma-record. Why? Masayot ko That's hiya. Sometimes it keeps peace, but sometimes it stops us from growing. Murag true. Sige, tabangan na lang. Teka mag-practice.
Uy, kailan tabangin ko kung part ha? Ikaw dapat hindi mo please na, remember di mo last month, kita bangan tapos di mo activity.
So, pinangan bayaran ako?
Utang ang loob ba?
Helping someone doesn't mean controlling their day.
So, unsa man? Sige, let's finish this together. Good day, ma'am. So before we're going to start our report, we're going to introduce ourselves first. I am Irene.
I am Christelle.
My name is Janelle.
I am Diana.
I am Ryan.
I'm Ashu. I'm Nikaya. And I am
So our report is about the moral agent. So we all know that Filipino traits and values are not always completely good or bad.
Traits like iyak, pakikisama, and utang na loob have positive and negative effects.
What matters is how we use these values in your decision.
As moral agents, we should think about what's right.
Just what is this?
Or what people will think.
Because our choices affect others.
And with these small actions, show our own.
Bye.
Guys, lesson learning na jud ko magbukas na lang.
Wait, sure ka?
Maybe next week.
Filipino values are part of us.
But we should know if they help or harm others.
That chapter has symbolism.
Guys, worth ra diyan nga sa effort.
Mas nice man tayo yung sariling gawa.
Unless guilty. See, we are more moral agents in our own choices.
Yes, small decisions matter really.
And even Filipino values still matter sa school life.